Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial element for any office or home that relies on a Lexmark printer, toner cartridges. Specifically, we're looking at the Agugnic 3-pack of E260A41G black toner cartridge replacements, designed to work with a wide range of Lexmark printers, including the E260, E360, and E460 series. First impressions matter, and the packaging was secure, ensuring no damage during shipping. Inside, each cartridge is individually wrapped, ready for installation. The compatible printer list is extensive, covering models like the E260D, E260DN, E360DTN, E460DW, and many more. It's always reassuring when a product boasts broad compatibility. Installation was a breeze. The cartridges slid right into the Lexmark E460DN printer without any hiccups. No error messages, no compatibility issues, just smooth sailing. This is a significant advantage, as some aftermarket cartridges can be finicky. Now let's talk about print quality. The Agugnic cartridges claim to deliver approximately 4,000 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage, which is standard for toner cartridges of this type. In testing, the print quality was consistently sharp and clear. Text appeared crisp and professional, and graphics rendered with good detail. There was no noticeable streaking or smudging, even during high-volume printing. Of course, page yield is always a key consideration. While it's difficult to precisely measure 4,000 pages, initial testing suggests that these cartridges are on par with the original Lexmark cartridges in terms of longevity. The printer's toner level indicator seemed accurate, providing reliable estimates of remaining toner. Agugnic emphasizes their commitment to quality, stating that these cartridges are manufactured in ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified facilities. This is reassuring, as it indicates adherence to strict quality control standards. Furthermore, they highlight the use of certified materials and manufacturing processes to ensure a safe and reliable printing experience, which is always a plus. Compared to genuine Lexmark cartridges, the Agugnic replacements offer a significant cost savings. For users who print frequently, the price difference can add up quickly, making these cartridges an attractive alternative. In conclusion, the Agugnic 3-pack of E260A41G black toner cartridge replacements appears to be a solid choice for Lexmark printer users. They offer excellent print quality, easy installation, and a competitive price point. While long-term reliability remains to be seen, the initial impressions are very positive. If you're looking for a cost-effective alternative to genuine Lexmark cartridges, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.